Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Fidelity Cash Management Account. First, open Google Chrome on your device and search for Fidelity Cash Management. Now, click on the official Cash Management Account link. Once the page opens, click on Open an Account to begin your application. If you don't already have an existing Fidelity account, you'll see a few options. You can either open both a Fidelity Cash Management Account and a Fidelity Brokerage Account together, or choose to open just the Fidelity Cash Management Account. For now, click on Open a Fidelity Cash Management Account only to continue. Next, it will ask, are you already a Fidelity customer? Select yes or no depending on your situation, then click Next. After that, choose whether the account will be individual, just for you, or joint, shared with someone else, and click Next again. Now, it's time to enter your personal information. Start by typing your full name, social security number, and date of birth. Then select your country of citizenship, followed by your mobile number and email address. Next, fill in your home address including city, state, and zip code. Once everything is entered correctly, click on Next to proceed. After completing this step, you'll be guided through the remaining setup, including reviewing account terms and confirming your details. Once done, your Fidelity Cash Management account will be ready to use, allowing you to manage your money easily with checking features, no account fees, and FDIC insurance coverage through partner banks. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.